Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant not opening easy and quick. First, all you have to do is just go to Task Manager, and now you want to be looking for Riot Games or Valorant. Just keep scrolling down until you find it, and it might not be here. Just keep scrolling down until you find it, and if you find it, all you have to do is just right click on it like that, and then click End Task, and that's it. All you have to do is just end task and then restart your computer, and after that after restarting your computer, click here and go for services, and then scroll down until you find VGC, and here's it. Now just right click on it and then click start. Maybe you'll find it already started. All you have to do is just click stop or restart and start it again, and after that your problem must be fixed. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.